Welcome, high fashionistas, to Sew for Self with LSC. I'm LANDA, and here's where I teach you how to sew high fashion garments for yourself. Today's look was inspired by Tom Ford's 2021 New York Fashion Week collection. Today I'm going to show you how to turn old jeans into high fashion pants. But first, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Now, to begin, we have our wide leg jean pattern. Here, we have the front and we have the back. To start this pattern, you would get a pair of your jeans and fold them. So you would definitely trace a pair of jeans that you already have onto your pattern paper or anything you want to use to make a pattern. So you would do the same thing with the back of the jeans and also the front of the jeans. Mind you, you can make your pattern as wide as you want it. As you can see, my pattern is wider than these pants because I wanted the wide fit. There's 4 pairs of jeans here, all in various shades of denim. So what I am going to do now is cut off the pants legs. So I will repeat that process to all 4 pairs of jeans. So I left the inner seam intact, but I ripped open the outer seam of each pants leg, creating the front panel of our pants leg. So we're going to take it inside out and fold it. You can fold it however way you want to fold it. Fold it in half this way, but since I'm starting at the top, I'm going to fold it that way. We want to put it underneath our pattern. So let's cut this first piece out. So I'll cut it this way. So I will try to cut these little tails off too. Excess off. So now I'll just cut it. And then make sure you cut at the fold, because you need 2 pieces, 1 for each side. So there you go. So then we can take off this excess. I'll just randomly place in pieces of fabric. This is totally up to you how you want your pants to look. So now, just like we did before, we're just going to cut it out. Once that is cut out, then we want to cut on the fold. So make sure we have 2 pieces, 1 for each side. So we're just gonna cut it on the fold. And done. Everything is random. How you want is how you see your pants coming out. Keep bringing our paper down. So make sure it's enough on both sides for the cutout. Let's bring our weight down. So it can be nice and even. See how that's not even at the bottom? So we're just cutting it off. And then, importantly, cutting at the fold. Make sure we have enough for both sides of the pants leg. So we're just building up our pants. But we still have to fill in this whole gap right here. So you can either use a different color or shade of denim or the same one. I think I want to go for a different color over there. That's good. And now let's cut. Again, we need 2 pieces, 1 for each side. So let's make sure we cut on the fold. And boom, like that. Cut it from here. And then don't forget to cut on all folds. Don't forget to cut them out. And then we'll keep going and building our pants leg just like that. So here's our pants all blocked out and wide legged and separated. So what we're going to do now is pin everything together as it stands. So you don't want to take it out of its order or anything. You just want to grab your pins and work your way. Start at the top. So grab your first piece at the top. You know this is the top piece. And then grab one of your second pieces and pin them together right away. I want my stitching to show, or the stitching of the pants to show, so it can be like this. And reminder, when doing this, so you want to make sure your denim is basically the same weight, all the denims that you pick to do this with. Okay, so we got our top one down. Okay, so now here's our 2 pieces. We want to connect this to this. And now we want to connect this side to that side. Let's do that here, like such. And then we need to connect this to this way. That down like that. Keep going all the way through, just like this. And just pinning everything together so we don't lose the order. Where we pinned, you placed your pins at, that is where you're going to sew. Okay, so that is our next step, sewing all of our blocks together. All of our blocks have been sewn together. to look like this. So now it's time for us to put together the actual pants. So what I did here was take my pattern again and lay it down on top of my panels just to make sure everything is cut correctly. And as you can see, I have some pieces hanging off the sides that I want to get rid of. So I also extended my pants leg to be even longer than my pattern. So I'm going to cut all of this off. Okay, so I've pinned together all 4 pants panels. Now I'm going to sew them all together. Here's our finished product. These pants came out so cute. I just decided to cut a hem any which of a way. Just cut it. I wanted that raw edge. This is the back of the pants, and see how the patterns are matching, but then again they're not. And again, the raw edge at the Here's our inspiration, Tom Ford denim jeans. Now, here's our interpretation. Thank you, high fashionistas, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did creating it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you next time, high fashionistas.